Hello everyone, today we are going to review another UI UX course according to these parameters. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers and who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation. You can check out from there. So, let's start with the review. It's a user experience design course by JellyFish Training and it's Australia based and it's a 1 day course only and it's a certificate of attendance course and this is the course overview. Who should attend about the UX knowledge, UX fundamental is there. What you will learn like understand UX as a discipline, test your design, understand the principle, course agenda, other courses, reviews is also there, testimonials, like very basic course. I will not say a basic course also because this course doesn't contain any specific knowledge or deep knowledge in terms of UI UX. Only a overview about the UX user experience design, not more than that. Also, they have not mentioned any portfolio, mentorship, placement, and tools knowledge in terms of UI UX. So if we give a rating according to these parameters like curriculum depth 0, user research fundamental 0, UI design quality 0, and on projects not there 0 for me, tools and software training is 0 for me, mentorship and feedback 0 for me, placement and career support 0, course values fees is 0 for me, industry relevance update is also 0 for me. Like if we give a user research and fundamental, it's a 1 for me because they have mentioned in terms of UX, specifically UX, and also the fundamentals of the curriculum. So it's a 1 for me. And industry relevance update is not up to the mark. It's not a future-oriented course, but they have mentioned the modules of the UI UX, specifically the user experience, which is the important part in terms of fundamentals. So it's a 3 out of 10 course and it's a non-recommended course because there are many better courses in the market which covers all the parameters in terms of UI UX. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation. You can check out from there, which covers all the parameters in the list and have a score of 10 out of 10 and also help you at getting a high paying job in terms of UI UX and also guide you in portfolio development and placement and career support after completion of course. I will add the link in the description. You can check out from there. Thank you.